Hello everyone, this is Mariam Panopio reporting live from the heart of Barcelona, Spain. Behind me stands one of the most breathtaking structures in the world, La Sagrada Familia. It's not just a building, it's a masterpiece of art, faith, and innovation. Designed by visionary architect Antoni Gaudi, this basilica has been under construction since 1882. Yes, over 140 years. But every detail is worth the wait, from the intricate carvings to the nativity scene of facade to the towering spire reaching for the heavens. Every corner tells a story. It's like stepping into a living piece of history. Now let's see the inside. Wow! Look at the way sunlight streams through this stained glass window, filling the basilica with a kaleidoscope of colors. Gaudi believed blending architecture with nature and can you see it? The tree-like columns that seems to grow towards ceiling. It's a place where you can't help but feel inspired. Here's a fun fact: when it's finally completed, La Sagrada Familia will have 18 towers, the tallest reaching 172 meters, making it the tallest church in the world. Amazing, right? So what are you waiting for? Come and experience the magic of La Sagrada Familia for yourself. Mariam Panopio signing off from Barcelona, where art, history, and spiritually come alive. Until next time, happy travels. Bye!